Sentai going to the bottom there. Shinjuku, Juku. With the Doraemon Museum, the Art Museum, it's Machida. It's Machida onto Kamaku. Then in a swing that is over there. That's where we are right now. There's Ebina. We're like over here somewhere in the Romancecar Museum. It's on the top of the building. Running a marathon, that's pretty cool. So, the cable car up there. Now it climbs and then the track switches and it comes up this way. So it comes up here, switches. Let's go all the way up that way. You sitting down, buddy? Going. Nice. That's gonna make it stop. You want to go super fast. Wow. It goes so fast. Wait. It's coming back around. We're gonna wait for it to get to the station and try to stop it at the station.
That's fast.
You're stopping it. you gotta make it go fast. There it comes. Okay, wait. It's over here. It's coming. You see it moving? You're controlling that romance car. Okay, it's on the top. Are you ready? And stop. Stop it. Stop. Shoo. Oh, we went a little bit past the station. That's okay. Let's start it again.
Where you go? And it's taking time.
Yeah, you get 3 minutes of time. And there's a red romance car going there. That's so cool. Oh, did you have to... Oh, you stopped it. It's over there. You stopped it. There's an old romance car coming too. Okay, it's coming. There we go. Can you stop it in the station? A little bit more, a little bit. It's going very slowly. Really fast. Oh, it's going to pick up speed. Okay, and stop it. Oh, perfect. Joe, you got it right in the station, buddy. Nice. Yeah, fist bump.
It's going fast.
Give me a fist bump.
It's going.
Oh, good job, everybody.
Is it a red one?
Shoot up school.
And let's stop it soon. It's taking time.
It's going all the way through the tunnel. You gotta let it go fast. You have enough time to maybe stop it one more time, but you gotta wait. Keep it going fast. It's coming. It's coming. You'll be able to see it soon. Not yet. Oh, it's coming. Okay, start stopping it now. Start stopping it. You gotta go quick. Oh, good job. You stopped it at the station again.
Go.
Oh, we ran out of time, buddy. Bum.
It's going.
Yeah, I think it's just going on its own now.
It's the Odakyu.
Yeah, there's like the Odakyu line. There's the old romance cars.
Please stop it. Stop down there.
You having fun, buddy?
Yeah. So, you need more coins?
I don't have any more coins on me, buddy. If we get more coins, maybe later.
We need to pay, Papa.
Yeah, we need to pay to play that. Why are you going backwards? Be careful, don't fall over. That's a dog.
Dog's going.
Yeah, dog's chasing a girl. Or girl's chasing a dog, rather. Wants her bag back. There's a super drunk salary man here at the lamppost. Looks like he's trying to pee on the lamppost. You got all like the izakaya and stuff at the back. There's that old street on Shinjuku with all the old izakayas and stuff. You got the big camera. It's cool. You dancing? Careful, buddy. Oh, there's the Odakyu. It's going into Shinjuku Station. When me and Mama go to Shinjuku, it's the station we use. There's a train we use to get there.
Stop.
Yeah, it did stop.
Go.
Shinjuku is actually the last station though.
Let's go in.
It doesn't actually go that way. It goes back that way. Anyway. Dance, dance, little girl. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Huh? You wanna go relax? I love relaxing. It's my favorite thing to do. Go all the way to the top?
Yeah.
Be careful.
There's
no lights up here.
Don't be scared.
Yeah, I like relaxing down here with these little tables.
Come here, okay?
Okay, let's go together. Just be careful.
Okay?
Yeah, just be careful, okay? What the? Careful.
Papa,
Okay.
sit up there.
I'm gonna sit over here. I want to sit over here.
I'm just kidding, Papa.
You just kidding?
Oh, you know, wait.
Okay.
I will come back soon.
Oh, okay. You want me to wait here while you go downstairs? Okay, be careful. Oh, it turned to nighttime. Nobody is here.
The lights are like here, like there.
Yeah, red lights. I think is to do the sunset. Sundown.
I'm gonna go close. Wait, we're gonna go to the other car.
Sundown to sunrise. Little Joker at the Romancecar Museum. With a serious expression.
Are you serious, Papa?
Yes, I'm singing about you. You don't want me to sing about you?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
I'm going here.
Be careful, okay? Stairs are dangerous, buddy. Here comes the Romancecar. Romancecar going to Hakone. Okay, buddy, so we go have a look at the gift shop and stuff? We're gonna go look at the gift shop. Last time they had the cable cars and stuff.
I want to get some.
We gotta go look first. Let's see what they got.
We need to go straight here.
Yeah. Look at that little buddy.
There's a train. There's
Romancecar simulator.
cardboard. There's a train cardboard.
It's cool, huh?
Train cardboard.
This is like the Romancecar in different parts of the route, huh? Romancecar t-shirts. Going up to the roof?
Yeah.
We never had to look on the roof before. Wonder which side's gonna open.
Rooftop floor.
Oh wow, okay. Let's have a look. We can go outside here, buddy. We can have a look at the station. Super sunny. It's okay, we'll go outside for a few seconds. We're not gonna be outside for that long. But wow, you can see the whole station over here, bud. There's a Romancecar down there. You see it? Can you see? Do you need me to lift you up? Jojo, wait there. I'll lift you up. You can go see the Romancecar. No? Is it too bright? Too bright for you, huh? Okay. You want to go back downstairs then?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to go this way? You take the elevator. Okay, let's go. Very, very quick trip to the roof. Number 2.
Number 2.
Yeah.
Cool.
It's a 1 minute trip to the roof. And we can have a little bit of a look, buddy, and then we gotta get going, okay? We gotta go find Mama.
2階です。Second floor.
I'm just watching you.
No, you just go in the other train.
Okay, I'll go in the other train. I'll see you later.
Hey, let's go on the other train.
Okay.
Come on. Let's here. Come on.
Your instructions are not clear at all. You told me to go in the other train, not to follow you.
And you need to go here.
I don't know what you want from me, little baby.
No, you need to go straight in.
You can go straight in?
It's so bad inside.
So what? Why is it bad? Stinky?
Yeah, inside is so stinky.
Stinky. Smells like old train. That's why some of the windows are open, because they're trying to get the old train stank out of here. But it smells like old train and wax.
Somebody sat here.
And it's like rotting down too. Doo-doo-doo.
I will go here.
These trains are ancient, so I kind of expect them to be rotten down. This one smells better.
This one smells bad too.
It's not great, but it's better than that one. This is not rotting down either, so.
The There's a driver on top of the stairs opening.
Yeah, you go upstairs and that's where you drive it. Good eye, buddy. All right.
Let's go in the other train.
Okay, buddy, but we gotta.
Take my seat.
Okay. Okay, I'm driving. はい、今から箱根走ります。出発。はい、箱根です。お客さん、楽しかった。おい、お客さん、おいで。大丈夫、楽しかった。
楽しかった。
よかった。
なんかここ行こ
ん？キッチンカーです。ジョー君はハイボールか梅酒欲しい？ Nope, you can't drink.
う。ここ懐かしいな。Let's go down. Let's go here.
Just running around the same train over and over again. It's fun.
So you be the customer and I will bring you the driver.
Okay, I'm the customer. I'm gonna sit right here.
Okay. Now, you need to go. Yeah, Baba.
Okay, I'm sitting down. I'm a customer.
We are Hakone.
Well, Hakone, yay! Thank you, driver.
No problem.
Oh, you're very kind. All right, driver, let's go.
Okay.
We gotta get out. It's Hakone. Huh, the driver's chasing me. Driver, no. Driver, you're scary. All right, driver, let's get out of here.
Let's get down here.
Smile